Hello! Today I will show you how to make your own wand. Firstly, you will need a couple things. An assortment of knives, some good sticks and a saw. If you're a miner, get some supervision with the sharp things. First, you wave your stick around to get a feel for it and see how long you want your wand to be. Mark the length and saw off the bit you don't need, but watch your fingers. Once your stick is the right length, scrape off the bark with a knife. I recommend one that is not too sharp, otherwise you might cut off more than you want. I left some bark at the handle because I like it, but you can do whatever you like. I like to take the darkened layer under the bark off as well, so you have a clean slate to work with. Be careful with bumps on the stick. The knife might get stuck on it. I like to round off the tip to make it look less like a stick. Step 3 is sanding. First I go in with some rough sandpaper, 80 grit, and smooth out the surface. You don't want to get any splinters while casting a spell, do you? Then I smooth it even more with a 180 grit sandpaper. Now the stick is smooth and it looks more like a wand already. For the next part we need some more tools. We need a varnish in your preferred color, a screwdriver to open the lid, a brush, a steering stick and your stick. It's really best to do all of this outside because varnish can stain. Open the lid with a screwdriver. Use your steering stick to stir. It's important to stir properly so the colors get distributed evenly. Now paint your wand. The more layers you add, the darker the tint will be. It's important to let it dry between layers, otherwise the coloring won't be even. I like to varnish the bark as well, so it doesn't dry out and fall off. Then let it dry properly, and here you go, you have your own wand.